The applications that are needed are Pixel Lab and Photoshop Touch. Everything used in this video is in the description. The first thing to do is open Pixel Lab app. Make a new text and write whatever you want. Change the text color to red. And also change the font too. This time we will use a font called Thank You Kobe. This font is free to use, download in the description. Hit OK and change the size of the text to make it bigger. Change the background to transparent. Export the text. And we gonna open the Photoshop Touch app, by the way. I used the old version of the Photoshop Touch, so there are a little different UI. Download in the description. Create a blank project with a size of 1280 x 1980. On a blank canvas. Hit the layer icon and then press the plus icon and select the photo layer. Search the brush PNG that has been downloaded. Select the brush stock that you like. Change the size of the brush until it meets the top of the canvas. Hit OK, then cover up the parts that are not covered. Use a brush tool to cover it. Add a new brush to give a more stylish look. Choose the position that you want. Add ink splatter to make it a more stylish look. Delete unwanted parts. Use an eraser to delete that. Merge all brush layers into one layer. Select the photo that want to be used. Adjust the position. Select the brush layer and select the Select Pixel option. Go to the photo layer and crop the photo using scissors tools. Create a new empty layer. In the empty layer, select the Paste option. Hit OK. And delete the layer that contains parts of the photo that are not used. In the photo layer, select the image option and choose black and white. Add photo text that was made in the Pixel Lab. Reposition the text. After that, you can export the project. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to support this channel. If you want to request, please write in the comments column.